how to link menu to page in Wix. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on add elements, and then you're gonna have to go to menu and anchor, and then you're gonna have to simply choose any of these menus, and then you can simply add them to your header, as you can see, just like this. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on manage menu, and then you have here different options. So as you can see, we have the new page, so we have the side menu, and here we can add all the pages. Then we have the about section, which is this one here. Then we have the as you can see, more section. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on add menu item, and then simply select the new page. So if you want to create a new page, or you can simply click on anchor here, and then you're gonna have to simply select the page. So as you can see, this one here, and then click on done, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.